Well, we have with us J P Mishra from Newland AIDC. Hello, sir. Welcome at the third edition of ET Retail Supply Chain Summit. First thing first, your thoughts about the event.
Hello, Vishal. It was really nice to be a part of this event, and there are a lot of interaction going on. And I think this kind of event really going to be helpful for all of us, like a technology provider like us. We know that current trend, customer behavior, everything. So it is really a very good event.
That's wonderful. Now, you just had a panel discussion a few minutes back. What are the key takeaways that you would like to reshare with us?
So the key takeaway is basically about the customer behavior, and the customer behavior and the entire supply chain is changing as per the customer behavior. Yeah, like before few years the customers expecting something in 4 days or 5 days. Now the same customer expecting the same thing in 4 hours or 10 minutes delivery, right? So this kind of customer behavior is changing. So I think technology really take a very good essential part to provide this kind of facilities to the to create a good customer experience, and not only customer experience but the entire trend of supply chain in technology trend in supply chain is basically divided in the three important things are involved. First is your real-time data visibility. If you have real-time data visibility, then only you can do something. You can manage your inventory correctly. And again, on the top of that, your planning and your in-time delivery is also very important. So I think this kind of trend is changing, and I think we as a technology enabler, giving all this kind of solution to different supply chain companies or e-commerce companies, so that they can manage it. Not only can visualize their data correctly, but also can have a quicker delivery to their customers.
Well, great. On that note, lastly, one more question. You mentioned that how you're utilizing the technology and what are the solutions that you're offering. How are you actually changing and challenging into the current issues which is there in the ecosystem by utilizing the technology?
So we have currently a lot of scanning and mobility devices. So when you talk about how we are helping the customer in technology, because earlier all the things are manual for many. If you go back to 5 years or 6 years back, in many D2C small brands, big brands, many things are going manually. So now we have got RFID technology, barcode scanners, and kind of a you can say BLE technologies. We really enables our customers to have a correct visibility of the product, and to get the product correctly and deliver correctly to the customer. So that is something which is really creating a lot of difference to for the customer behavior and to stick the customer to the same brand.
So you offer like one-stop multiple solutions.
One-stop multiple solution in the sense, so for any kind of supply chain system, supply chain is majorly divided into two parts. First is your inventory management, secondly your logistic management. So if you compare both the things, we are helping our customer in both the things. So for inventory management, we have got a lot of products which really enable them to get a real-time visibility, to track the device correctly, to pick up the order, deliver the product correctly. And the second line is the logistics. So in logistic also, the customer also need to understand when they are going to get the products, right? So what was the timeline? So that also need to be addressed at the time of delivery. So those kind can be managed with if you have real-time track and trace devices. So those kind of track and trace devices we are manufacturing, and we are enabling all this customer to use it for a smooth delivery process and inventory management process.
Thank you so much for talking and sharing all those insights. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the sessions today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for talking to us.